Is it on? Oh, okay, the camera's on. So, hi, Torchlings and Rainbowlets and fellow subscribers. Today, we're going to be making slime. This is requested by one of my classmates, Aliana. Shout out to Aliana. Her name's spelled weird. Okay, so today we're going to be making slime, even though I don't like slime because it's just weird. I don't like most types of slime, so okay, click on everything. So I got this cheat sheet. I printed it from Wikipedia. Okay, let's check it. How to make slime. What? What? What the? Ah! I have to work for this? What? I have to work for this? Why? Okay, so. But I don't want to look it up on. If you're broke, look it up. But I didn't want to have to Google it. No. Okay, it's time for the second option. Oh, what is this music? What? Okay, let me actually check if that app is done. Oh, magic! Look at this. The slime simulator is already done. Nice. Ooh, yes. Yeah. Ooh. I've actually downloaded this baby boy before. And yeah, earlier I downloaded and started making slime. Slime's called bath time because rubber ducky duh. I guess I'm gonna make another one. I haven't used this app in over like a year because, like I said, I don't like slime that much. So see what new stuff they added. Okay, looks like they've added at least 5 more slimes. Spectrum is not new. I had it the first time I downloaded it. It's like there's a lot of updates. It's pretty nice. Oh my god, it's no longer a slime video. This is more like a what? They added pastel colors? What? Nice pastel colors on this crinkly, crunchy background. Delicious. That did not mix well. Why would you add jelly? That's disgusting. Here's I'm gonna add some flowers. Ooh. The first time I downloaded this, it didn't have this option. Nice. I'm gonna put in just yes. Nice. More customization. Yeah. Crispity crunchy. Crispity crunchy. I don't like your hunchity. Nice. Crispity crunchy. I don't. What? Oh, fine. I'm gonna name it Crispity Crunchy. Crispity Crunchy. I don't like your muchity. Crispity Crunchy. Forgive my profanity. No, that doesn't rhyme. My rhyming sucks. Okay, before we end this video, I have to check something. Guessing game. No, that's stupid. Slime painter. Okay, I'm gonna make a piece of art. I'm gonna make an amazing piece of art. Okay, so then green. Nice. Ooh, yes, it's coming together. And then finally we add yellow and just yeah, amazing. Done. I don't want to save it. No. Okay, it's done. So from that game, kids, we've learned 3 things. First of all, I absolutely don't want to put any effort into anything. Second of all, slime is not that cool if you think about it. And third of all, subscribe. More content on its way. I'm working on animation, so wait. Bye.